Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Learn English Literature and Grammar with Yuswana. Firstly, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and click on all option so that you may find the notifications of all my upcoming videos. Guys, I have already uploaded a full-fledged video on direct and indirect narration in which I have discussed all the basic rules about direct and indirect narration. Today we will discuss the assertive sentences or declarative sentences, how to convert them into indirect narration. So let's start our today's video. Some of my friends asked me to explain my videos side by side in Urdu. So I will try my best to explain it in Urdu as well. What are assertive or declarative sentences? Assertive or declarative sentences क्या होते हैं? Sentences that simply tell us that some action or event has taken place or not are called assertive or declarative sentences. वो सेंटेंसेस जो हम कुछ भी सेंटेंस बोलते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई स्पीक ट्रूथ और अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, सिंपल नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई डू नॉट टेल अ लाई. सो ये असर्टिव सेंटेंस और डेक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस क्या होते हैं कि हम किसी भी इवेंट या एक्शन को एक्सप्रेस करें कि कैसे वो टेक प्लेस होता है, कैसे वो होता है या नहीं होता है. सो assertive sentences are the sentences in which some action or event takes place. In assertive sentences, when we change the direct into indirect narration, we remove commas and add that. कि जब डायरेक्ट नरेशन होती है तो उसमें इन्वर्टेड कॉमास के अंदर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच होती है. जब हम इसको इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन में करते हैं असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस में, तो क्या करते हैं, हम कॉमास रिमूव कर देते हैं और उनकी जगह पे उसकी जगह दैट लगा देते हैं. इफ देयर इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन द रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच, सेड विल बी चेंज्ड इनटू टोल्ड, से इनटू टेल, while say or said remains unchanged if there is no object in the reporting speech. For example, I said to him, "You are my best friend." अब हम इसमें देख सकते हैं कि रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में ऑब्जेक्ट भी है. जब हम इसको इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो हम said to को टोल्ड में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे, दैट रिमूव कर देंगे और हम इसकी पर्सन और टेंसेस की चेंजेस भी अकॉर्डिंगली करेंगे, जो मैं नेक्स्ट आपको बताती हूँ. इससे पहले वाली वीडियो में भी बहुत डिटेल के साथ मैं ये बता चुकी हूँ. सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट आई टोल्ड हिम दैट ही वॉज माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. हियर वी हैव रिमूव्ड कॉमास, added that, and we have converted said to into told. I have already explained that when the tense in the reporting speech is future or present, the tense in the reported speech will remain unchanged. इसी तरह अगर रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में टेंस पास्ट हो तो हम इस चार्ट के मुताबिक चेंजेस करेंगे जब हम डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन करेंगे. प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस विल बी चेंज्ड इनटू पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस इनटू पास्ट कंटिन्यूस, present perfect into past perfect, present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous, Past indefinite into past perfect continuous, past perfect, or continuous into past perfect continuous, can into could, shall, will into should, would, and may into might. As I have already discussed the change of persons as well. Quickly review the change of persons. First person I, we, my, our, me, us will be changed according to the subject of the reporting speech. Second person you, your, yours will be changed according to the object of the reporting speech. Third person he, she, it, his, her, him, hers, its, they, their, them, theirs will remain unchanged. अब हम इनको हर एक टेंस की जो चेंजेस हैं और पर्सन्स की जो चेंजेस हैं, जो अजर्टिव सेंटेंसेस में किस तरीके से हम उनको चेंज करते हैं, हम उनको वन बाय वन एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ डिस्कस करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जीना सेड I eat healthy food. This sentence is in direct narration. When we convert it into indirect narration, it will become Gina said that she ate healthy food. Here we can see that because there is no object in the reporting speech, said will remain unchanged and it will become as it is. हमने यहाँ पे कॉमास को रिमूव कर दिया, उसकी जगह पे हमने दैट लगा दिया, और क्योंकि यहाँ पे रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में सब्जेक्ट जो है वो फर्स्ट पर्सन में है, तो फर्स्ट पर्सन विल बी चेंज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच. I is the first person and subject is Gina. So we will change the I according to the subject of the reporting speech. That is Gina. So Gina said that she ate healthy food. अब यहाँ पे ate क्यों आया, eat क्यों नहीं आया? इसलिए कि क्योंकि रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में वर्ब जो है वो पास्ट टेंस में है. सो जब हम इसको इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन में करेंगे तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का जो टेंस है, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस है, वो पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. आई थिंक यू हैव गॉट इट. Ali said to me, you are doing a good job. Here you can see that said to me. Here is also an object in the reporting speech. जब हम इसको इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो हम said to की जगह पे टोड लगा देंगे और कॉमास रिमूव करके दैट लगा देंगे. और जब हम और इसकी जो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच है उसका जो सब्जेक्ट है वो हमने देखना है कि वो क्या है. यू इज द सेकेंड पर्सन. सेकेंड पर्सन को हमने किसके अकॉर्डिंग कन्वर्ट करना था जब हम इसको इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन में करेंगे? अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच. अली टोल्ड मी दैट आई वॉज डूइंग अ गुड जॉब. Now you are surprised that how it has become was instead of are or is. So as we have learned from the chart that present continuous will be changed into the past continuous when the tense in the reporting speech is in past tense. Got it? I think you have got it. I said you have disturbed me. When we will convert it into indirect narration, it will become I said that he had disturbed me. Here, you is the second person and we will change it according to the object. And अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में तो ऑब्जेक्ट है ही नहीं, तो व्हाट शुड वी डू? ये तो काम खराब हो गया. अब हम ये करेंगे गाइस कि हम रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में अगर ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है और रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में अगर सेकंड पर्सन है, तो हम जब उसको इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन में करेंगे तो हम एक प्रॉपर ऑब्जेक्ट अज्यूम कर लेंगे. वी विल अज्यूम अ प्रॉपर ऑब्जेक्ट व्हेन वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन. I said that he had disturbed me. I said to someone. वो someone he भी हो सकता है, she भी हो सकता है. So, I assumed that I said to him. Okay? So, I said that he had disturbed me. And here you can see that we have changed the present perfect tense into past perfect tense. As me is the first person and it will be changed, first person is changed according to the subject of the reporting speech. So, हमने क्या किया? क्योंकि रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच का सब्जेक्ट भी फर्स्ट पर्सन है, तो ये वैसे का वैसे रहेगा. एक्चुअली हमने इसको इसी के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज करना था, लेकिन क्योंकि वो भी फर्स्ट पर्सन है तो वो एज इट इज आ जाएगा. वी सेड टू देम दे हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर अस सिंस मॉर्निंग. वी टोल्ड देम दैट दे हैड बीन वेटिंग फॉर अस सिंस मॉर्निंग. We told them. Said to will be converted into told. We told them. Remove the commas and place that they have been waiting for us. They is the third person. And third person, did you remember that third person will remain unchanged in the indirect narration. So, we haven't changed the person of a person here and we write it as it is in the indirect narration. But have been waiting. This is the present perfect continuous tense. It will be changed into past perfect continuous. And they have been waiting for us. Us is the first person. It will be changed according to the subject, that is we. So it will remain unchanged since morning. We told them that they had been waiting for us since morning. She said it was raining outside. She said that it had been raining outside. Was past continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. It is the third person. It will remain unchanged and we will write it as it is in the indirect narration. Got it? Hamza said to me, I can change myself for you. Hamza told me that he could change himself for me. Here again, said to will be converted into told that he could. I is the first person. It will be according to Hamza, and here we will write he can into could change himself. Myself again is a first person. It will be changed according to the subject, दैट इज हमजा. सो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे कि इसको किस तरह से लिखेंगे कि ही कुड चेंज हिमसेल्फ फॉर मी. यू इज द second person and it will be changed according to the object of the reporting speech, that is me. So we will convert it into me. Understand? They said we shall win the match. They said that they would win the match. We is the first person and it will be changed according to they, that is the subject of the reporting speech, and shall will be converted into would. Here it was shall because it came with we, and here it will become would because here the person is changed, that is they. You said I may not reach soon. You said that you might not reach soon. Here again, I is the first person. It will be changed according to the subject of the reporting speech, and may will be changed into might. This is all about today's video. Hopefully you have learned everything about the assertive or declarative sentences, that how we can change them into indirect narration. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share it with others, comment in the comment section. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.